Okay, so this is my first test of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with the DJI Mic 2. Now, as I said, you can literally just connect the Mic 2 to the Osmo Pocket 3. It has a built-in receiver, so all you need to do is turn on the transmitter here, and then it will literally ask you just to auto-connect, and then it's done. And then I can see on the monitor, the OLED monitor in front of me, the audio levels. So at the moment it's in green, so it's looking good. And everything's looking great. So I've got this clipped on with a magnetic clip onto my t-shirt, and now active track is on, and I can just move this around and it should just follow me. It's really, really good. So the settings I've done in this is in the normal color profile. This is with the sharpness turned down to -2 and the exposure turned down to -2. Those are the only settings I've changed. So if you wanted to record a talking head video like this in your studio, you could literally just set it up like that. Now, as I'm recording this, it's quite wide, but you can obviously edit that in post, and that's what you're gonna see, is it edited in post, where I've zoomed the footage in slightly. But it's great. I mean, the wide angle lens, this isn't even the wide angle lens, this is just a standard lens. And I think it's got an f2.0 aperture, and it's really good. Like it's really decent. So you could just use it for talking head videos, but let's go outside and use a street test and see what it's like out in the wild.
Hello, welcome back to the John Willis channel, featuring his wife, Mrs. Willis, on this one-off special cameo where I'm actually allowed to be in the footage. And we've just taken our kids to nursery. Every Monday and every Thursday we take the kids to nursery and we go and have a coffee, like a little coffee date, because we never get the time to actually talk to each other and listen to each other. Here he is, here's the man of the moment, the man behind the channel. Hello. Mr. Willis. Some of you may know him as Game Hawk. Some of you may know him as Tech Hawk. Do you remember that? Back in the day. The OGs who loved Tech Hawk. So yeah, we'll catch up with you soon.
So this is the Osmo Pocket 3, and this is actually the in-camera audio. This isn't the DJI Mic 2. We've just turned the Osmo Pocket 3 on to do a bit of a off-the-cuff bit of filming, and this is just the in-camera audio. This is not Mic 2. So this is in normal profile mode. I'll drop the settings below in the corner so you can see what the settings are. But this is literally just normal color profile, in-camera audio, no editing. I'm going to do no processing on this because I just want to show you what it's like out of the box. Here you go. This is what the audio sounds like. It's not too bad. It's actually pretty good straight out of the box. Obviously we're in a car, so there's no background noise and there's no wind or anything like that. But it's not bad really. If you was in a studio or anything, it's pretty good. Okay, so this is the first test of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, completely normal settings, and I've got the DJI Mic 2 connected. So at the time I'm recording this, I can see my audio levels on the top of the OLED screen in front of me. It's got like a little green bar, it tells me how good my audio levels are, and it's towards the top end of the green, so it's pretty good, it's doing its job. Put this up on the tripod in a coffee shop and recording a quick vlog just to show you what it's like. And the quality, as you can see, is really good. It's brilliant. Normal profile, no color grading needed. You can do some color grading, but I haven't done any to this. And this is just how it looks. Let's enjoy the coffee. It's kind of sunny here in the east of England in the middle of April. It's a bit cold and there is a little bit of a wind. Now the audio is coming directly from the Osmo Pocket 3. This has not got the mic. You can see my mic is clipped on here. That's not switched on right now. So this is directly coming from the Osmo Pocket 3. Just so you know, what the audio sounds like on the actual device if you don't get the creator combo. So if you just get the normal version that doesn't come with the mic and you want to know what it sounds like with the audio built in, this is what it sounds like. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Now there's a little bit of wind, so I'm not sure if you can hear that on the device, but there is a little bit of wind. So now I'm going to turn on the Mic 2 and you can hear what the Mic 2 sounds like. Okay, so now this is the Osmo Pocket 3 with the DJI Mic 2. Now there is a little bit of wind and I've not used the wind muff, so I'm going to show you in a minute what it sounds like with the wind muff, see if you can tell the difference. But this is what it sounds like if you're using the Mic 2 with the Osmo Pocket 3. Now, at the time I'm recording this, the good thing is all you do is literally just turn the Mic 2 on and it automatically connects to the Osmo Pocket 3. And you know it's connected because it tells you it's connected. And also you get a nice little green bar on the screen to tell you your audio levels, so you know if you're shouting too loud or talking too loud or it's too close to your mouth or anything like that. One thing I've immediately noticed is a problem with the Osmo Pocket 3 is you tend to automatically look down at the screen rather than looking at the camera. It's just a thing you do because you're trying to get yourself in frame. Now the good thing about this is you don't need to worry about getting yourself in frame because I can just rotate the Osmo Pocket and it will just keep me in the middle of the frame, which is really good. That's that active track 6 that's kicking in. So this is what it sounds like with the Mic 2, and now I'm going to connect the wind muff to it. So there is a slight wind, so let me know in the comments if you can hear it. But just to see if there is a bit of a difference, here is the little fluffy dead cat here, and I'm going to put that onto the Mic 2 now. And this is what the Osmo Pocket 3 sounds like if you've got the Mic 2 connected with a dead cat wind muff, whatever you want to call it. There is a slight wind. Yeah, let me know what you think. Now the good thing about this is we're just about to cross over a road, so there is some traffic going across. Let me know if you can hear the traffic because it is a little bit loud here, so let me know if you can hear the traffic or if you can just hear my voice. I'm just trying to figure out how good the camera actually is. Sorry, the microphone actually is. So as we're crossing the road, you've got some noise from the traffic lights going and you've got the cars going across. Can you hear them? Now the Mic 2 is one of the best wireless microphones out there. It just, period. It is literally just one of the best. My wife is just literally watching me waffle away here.
I've just found Bluey on the floor and I thought I'd take it home for Archie.
Oh, the universe has provided us with a Bluey toy, a little gift. Do you have anything to say about this device, honey?
I really like it. I can't wait to use it if I'm ever allowed to.
She may be allowed to. Yeah, she may be allowed to. Tell me what you think about the stability, because I'm walking in a straight line and this looks really, really smooth to me on that screen. My wife is telling me to wrap this up because apparently I'm waffling for too long. So let me know what you think in the comments. First video of the Osmo Pocket 3 testing out and about in the wild. There's many more to come.